A common question is how much a victim of a truck accident can recover through a settlement. The accurate answer depends on many factors, including the extent of the injuries and the insurance policies available for compensation. The following case highlights the complexities of truck accident injury lawsuits and the importance of thorough legal representation. The damages awarded in this real-life case for the personal injuries sustained by the plaintiff provide insight into the potential settlement amounts in similar cases. The plaintiff was driving a truck for his employer when he was hit from behind by another tractor trailer. The plaintiff experienced leg and back pain the next day, which prompted him to seek medical treatment under his health insurance plan. Approximately 1 month after the accident, the plaintiff's personal injury attorney referred him to a pain management specialist. The plaintiff also received chiropractic treatment and physical therapy. For approximately 6 months, the plaintiff received epidural and facet block injections to relieve his pain. None of the injections successfully alleviated the pain. The plaintiff ultimately underwent spinal fusion surgery, which required the insertion of rods and screws into his back. Although the surgery helped the plaintiff's leg pain, his back pain continued. The plaintiff's back pain led him to another pain management specialist. After a 5th epidural injection failed to provide relief, doctors recommended a spinal cord stimulator be surgically implanted. Thereafter, doctors performed a hardware removal and posterior fusion surgery. The plaintiff brought a negligence suit against the defendants. The defendants admitted liability, and the case proceeded to trial solely on the issue of damages. At trial, the plaintiff presented evidence of his full medical bills, both paid and unpaid. The total amount billed for plaintiff's medical care, including the treatment paid by his insurance, was $838,320. The plaintiff's billing expert opined the reasonable value of his medical bills totaled $632,456, using benchmark databases for medical services in the local geographical area. The defendant's billing expert opined the reasonable value of plaintiff's medical care was $174,111, based on an average of what private insurers, Medicare, and workers' compensation would agree to pay, and medical providers would agree to receive for those services. The jury returned a damages verdict totaling $3,464,288, comprised of past lost earnings of $282,288, past medical expenses of $532,000, future lost earnings of $900,000, future medical expenses of $500,000, past non-economic loss of $500,000, and future non-economic loss of $750,000. Judgment was entered for the plaintiff, and defendants filed a motion for new trial, which the trial court denied. Defendants appealed, and the Court of Appeal of California affirmed the judgment. This case underscores the complexities and high stakes involved in truck accident injury claims. Recovering compensation after such an accident isn't straightforward and can vary widely depending on the severity of the injuries, medical expenses, and long-term impacts on the victim's life. While this verdict offers some insight into potential settlement amounts, every case is unique. For this reason, it is essential to seek specific legal advice from an attorney who specializes in truck accidents and personal injury law. A skilled lawyer can navigate the legal challenges, build a strong case, and ensure you receive the compensation you deserve. For more details, including the parties and the attorneys represented in this case, check out the video description. For another recent personal injury case, please watch the next video shown on the screen. Thank you for watching.